this on, see if that helps stop it a bit.
Yeah, it always.
Oh, there we go. Get the milk in there.
Keep us warm. Mini fire.
Got the lines out. Got to keep an eye on them. The most important ingredient. Hot chocolate.
You almost about to fire.
Yeah, I know. That's a lot. I bought heaps.
Because there's 3 of us.
Oh, yeah. I'll have this big cup. Do you want the lid on or off?
Grab.
Cheers. Big ears. Raphael, your order's ready. Go, Raph, you're on. Fight him. Woo!
What is it?
Another one of those butter bream, eh?
Maybe.
Lift your head up.
After you should show them how much butter bream we have.
Lift your head up.
Oh!
Oh, he's pulling.
Teeth? Small one.
It's hit your dead bait, whatever it is.
I'm using dead whiting.
Yeah.
whiting.
Yeah, mate, battling. Well, he's taking you into the sandbag.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. He's trying to snag him.
Just wait, just let him come out a bit. Yeah, pull him in, mate. Good. That way, the nice way.
Look, we've got 1.
That's the clean side, the other side's covered in sand.
That's 1, 2.
And look at
And
my
then look,
slush
ready,
shell.
ready? Watch this. 3,
I'm going to show you all of the crabs that we have.
5, 6.
Daddy, could I show them all of the crabs
7.
we have? I have all of the crabs that we have. 1 fast.
I don't know what this is. Got big head shakes on it. It's pulling hard too. It's got a lot of dead weight. It's pulling hard too. Oh, busted me. It's been about 15-20 minutes. We got here just before sunrise because we wanted to try out the lights and they were really good, so I'm happy with them. I haven't had any hits on the whiting. So I've still got the whiting out there, the dead bait. So I'm going to get this livey out now. It'll be interesting to see which one gets hit first. Oh, it's still high tide at the moment. It's starting to run out now. I think it's just turned from the top of high now. So, oh, yep. It's a barra. Can you wind that line in, Rocco? I was flicking the lure quick. It's going to get tangled. Wind it in quick. No, it's not a barra. What is it? It's fighting strange. It's got big head shakes.
Could be a shark.
It's trying to brick me. It's trying to take me under that.
What is that, Daddy? A crab?
Better not be a shark. Oh, it's a salmon. Salmon.
Oh, salmon! Let's go! Can we eat it? Can we eat it, Daddy?
Oh, he spat me, I think. No, he spat me. Spat me right at the end. He was barely hooked. How you going, guys? Down here at Mundy Creek again. And hopefully you watched that last episode where I got a couple of barra off the beach. It's a similar tide in the sense that it's very small and it only went to about a 1.2 as low, so I'm hoping none of the fish really moved too much on that low. So a lot of them still should be here, so just gonna see if I can get some bait. Get some liveys so we can get a line out. Let's go. Whoa, look at that. Truckload of queenies
Oh my
and
god!
trevallies. They're all busting up on the jelly
Oh
prawns
my
here.
god!
Have a look, have a look.
What is that big longfish? Bring them up here.
Thanks, man. Look at these queenies.
That's crazy.
Look at that.
Put it in there. We could use that as bait. Me and I
No, I'm using this for bait. Got this gar, that's what I'm after, not the little queenfish. So that's what I was saying about the fish not leaving the when you don't get a real rock bottom low, a lot of the fish
What's that big
stay in the creek.
What's that big longfish?
Big herring.
Long. Very long.
Boys, look, big flatty. Yeah, hang on, I'll just get the bait out first. That's a good legal whiting there. Get him in the esky first. Get him in the esky and then come straight back. Oh, big beautiful flatty.
Can we eat it? Can we eat it?
Look at these big whiting.
Oh. Big enough to eat it. It's big enough to eat?
Yeah, put them on the brag mat. I think it's 20 something centimeters they got to be. Yeah, look at that, way over.
We eat it?
Size of this whiting. Definitely.
46.
Keep the whiting, he's legal.
40.
46. Wow, that's a decent flatty.
Could we eat it?
There. Okay, so this is the part of the video where I just wanted to pause it just for a couple of minutes, just to explain a couple of things and to give my opinion on this specific system and the mouth of this creek here. I do highly rate this area, but I just have had some people say, look, I go to this creek or this beach and I see you catching barra. How do you do it? What do you do? So let me just give you a bit of a breakdown and I'm just going to unpack it for you now. Okay, so here we go. Let's dive on into it. So what you see here as the drone just moves back a bit, you've got your tide line up here. So any given day you've got about a 3 meter tide and that's where the water's going to be. Okay, it's going to be up there. So a lot of people will stand on that part of the beach. But I highly suggest you go out onto the sandbags. Even when the water's right up there, those sandbags are still exposed. And a lot of people will cast their line there on this part that I've highlighted, all of that sand. They're not the optimal zones. These are the zones here. And these are the zones that you want to get down here where these rocks are, where these old pipes are, big chunks of metal. all of the fish are going to congregate down in those areas. Moving over to the other side there, once again you can see your tide line. A lot of people are naturally going to throw their line there. I'm suggesting go out onto the sandbags once again and land on these spots here. You need to be casting there onto those rocky structures, okay? Now I've got a video coming up where I fished this section. The tide was a lot lower and you can see here the natural channel. Oh, there's a sandbar there, sorry, and that's the zone that you want to cast to, that sandbar. So there's the channel. You don't want to be in the channel because the barra work the flats.